Okay, we got the tops of these little grommets rotting. They're about ready to pull through from corrosion. This one's got little holes all the way through. You can see light through it. See what shows in there. You can't really see the light showing through, but this one's really bad. It's just going to pull right out. And this lid's going to fly off. The flashing collar right here has a caulk bead on it. It's totally, it's prehistoric. It's all loose everywhere. It's peeling loose. Same on this side over here. It's all loose. You don't want that to open up. The water goes right down the pipe and around this little skirt. And that makes it leak in. So you need both of those caulked. This one's doing good here for the furnace. This one's not so good. Corrosion. So there you go. You need a new cap up here for the top of this fireplace screen. Okay, there we go. This is the area that was leaking, by the way. There's nothing to leak here long ago. That freak leak. That's going good there. The ceiling around there. There we go. Okay.